Manifest. So good to go. I think we use Ganesh Reddy. See, even I can go for D drive. I'll go for MD. MD. Doctor. Doctor. Hyphen contain. CD. Doctor. Hyphen contain. Code doc. This. The box. Before it is clear for invisible. Now my intention of control backtick symbol, I hope. We control backtick. Not working. If not working, no problem. Go to view terminal. New terminal. Till now clear for you. Where I'm going to start comment format. CLS. Yesterday I said we are in actually Docker instructions, right? Today we want to work with multi-stage Docker file. Multi-stage Docker. You may ask a question. What is the use and power of multi-stage? See, stage 1, assume maybe 300 MB. Stage 2, maybe 200 MB. Stage 3, 100 MB. File size is decreasing with the help of multi-stage Docker file. Only that's all. How can you implement a multi-stage Docker file? See, I'm using for me, create multi-stage or create Docker file for multi-stage. Just enter. You may check it what happening here. See clearly it is writing workspace including remaining things, right? See, and there I think no need all these things. Maybe it is taking CPP. CPP, I don't want CPP like that. I need only simple Docker file. There I'm canceling. I think nowadays we are not using CPP now. That's why I'm removing. Okay, create Docker file for multi-stage, multi-stage using Maven, using Maven for NGINX. Where Java based it is taking, okay, no problem. Just create workspace. I am taking as it is. We will check what happened. Now my Maven nginx cpp expand. Our main aim is Docker file only. Check it here from. In interview, what they are going to expect in multi-stage Docker file, can you use one or multiple froms? Your answer should be very simple. Observe on my code how many froms are there. One from is there or more than one from is there? If
More
it
than
is
one.
general Docker, if it is general Docker file, even though 1,000 lines are there, it must contain only one from. If it is multi-stage, more than one from must be there. Then only we can call it as multi-stage Docker file. Observe here. First from. After that, we are using as. Are you observing as? I hope are you able to see now clearly? This is the builder. This is the alias name. Please remember, this is the alias name. I hope, Monica, what does it mean of alias? What does it mean of alias? Alias means alternative name. Alias means alternative name, or maybe short name, or maybe easy to remember name. See, This is somewhat lengthy. This total thing, whatever I am selecting, this total thing, simply we are calling as what? Just build. It will remember like a build. Next work dir. What is the advantage of work dir? I said run cmd slash app, again run cd, then we can go for app. No need to use those things. Simply we are using work dir. Someone is trying to join. Murali. Murali, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, thank you. See, up to these two steps are clear, right? Copy. What does it mean? Anyone can guess it? Third line. Anyone can explain what happening here? Copy is used for source to destination. Here, what is source here? My local directory. In my local directory, pom.xml is there, right? What the next dot what represents? Quick response. This dot is representing slash app in this scenario. See, I am copying my pom.xml into a work dir. What is the work dir? Slash. Is it okay, Monica?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more copy is there. See, copy src. Src means folder. Source is there or not? Check it here. Source is also dot src. Anyone can tell what does it mean here? Dot src means guess it. Slash epp slash src. See, no one can explain here, but we need to understand. Is it okay for you? This dot representing already dot slash epp. In that, you need to create SRs. Good. Now run this command. Everybody know, right? MVN clean package. Here see D skip test. D skip test. For example, you want to understand clearly this one. Suppose Control C. See what does it mean? Control V question mark. If you want to skip compiling and running test entirely, use hyphen D maven test.skip is equal to true. Okay, D meaning they didn't give, right? I am telling that one also. There are hyphen D means here. See, this is very, very important. Please remember, even I too forget sometimes. That's what I am giving that clarity. D means define. See what we are going to define. I am defining on property. What is the property name here? Skip test. In Maven, we are going to define maybe at least 5 to 6 properties. I'll show you that also. Maybe tomorrow morning class Maven only, right? There I can implement. Here D represents what ma? Define. What I am defining? Property. What is the name of the property? Skip test. You may ask me. See why you are going to skip test. In real time, already program length is 1000 lines. Test case is 500 lines. It will compile, it will test 1500 lines. If you want to build your package very quickly, at that time only you are going to skip test. But in real time, 99% we never skip test. Only for faster building a package, we are going to skip test. Is it okay for you? Here D means what? Define. What we are going to define? Skip test. This is also right thing. And one more thing you have seen right here. D property name is equal to, there we are going to set the property. This is also right one. D maven test.skip is equal to true and are both are equal to D skip test. Either you may use this or you may use both are valid. Is it okay for you? Good. This is stage one. Is it clear for you? Stage one. See, this stage one will create and everything where it is available, ma? It will remember like a builder. It will remember like a builder. This build I am going to use in second level, second stage from NGNX Alpine. My intention is what? I want to create NGNX. See, ma, This is the thing they are going to expect. In multi-stage Docker file, how can you link these two? Copy hyphen hyphen from. Are you observing? Copy hyphen hyphen from is equal to build. Previous stage, I am attaching to second stage. That means the next stage, copy hyphen from is equal to build. You know, APP already you know, right? Work directory APP. You know, target. Whenever if I build, we create a package, you can see within this, you may able to see morning also you have seen target folder within the target. There Maven, my Maven, nginx, app.char. That where we are moving this one. Please observe here. USR, share, nginx, HTML. You know, nginx, this is the directory path for nginx. USR, share, nginx, HTML. Their name is C, my Maven, nginx, app.char. This is the pre-built path. Don't use your own smart path. This is a fixed path. USR, share, nginx, HTML. Up to this is a static fixed one. If you want it, you can change the remaining things. Is it okay for you? Good. Now, see what they're going to copy. Copy nginx.config. See, wherever config is there, what it contains, configuration details. Just like if you purchase a property where it is there within the document, 100 meters width, maybe 200 meters length, like that, measurements, right? In the same way, configuration. Right? Where you want to copy /etc nginx, there the name is what? Nginx dot in the form of again config. Maybe I may show you that one. See, this is in real time projects, this is mandatory. Without this, they won't work. They won't work. Maybe this one in future classes we'll discuss. See, what is the port number here? Here we are going to specify. My in future assume you may create, maybe assume your aws.com, maybe our own website, maybe maunika.com. Here we can mention maunika.com, their website name. Now one more thing. Any other thing here? Go to Docker file. Docker file. Please understand exposing. Expose with which port number? 80. Nginx means 8080. If you want it, you can change it also, no problem. Here CMD, where you can change. Here only once again. Nginx.conf. Check it somewhere. What is the port listening here? Please observe here. Listen 80. If you want to listen 8080, so you can give. You must give maybe localhost colon 8080, then only it will work. If you use 80, no need to give. What is the default HTTP port number? 80, that's all. That's why no need to give anything. Control S. Control S. Now you know this is you have seen in morning. You have seen in morning. Maybe we'll see. We may get one or two errors. That is very common. How to rectify those errors with this. Now quickly we are going to Docker file. Last step. CMD. Yesterday we have seen, right? Anyone give the difference between CMD and entry point? Anyone can try? What is the small difference between CMD and entry point? CMD means can't override. CMD can override. CMD can override. See what you may override. See, ma, this is nginx. This is the nginx. See here they given -g, right? There observe @workspace. Observe carefully. @workspace. Here -g means. Now, what does it mean? My command, what it will do? It will search for entire project. Within that, go somewhere source at G. I need to check. You see, it is understood, right? CMD, nginx-g, daemon. Here, global directory. See, nginx-g, daemon of. You know, DAMON. Daemon means background process. Background process, you need to off. If you off, it will run continuously. If you are, run and stop. I'll show you both things also. Because of I did these experiments already. Anyway, till now clear, right? Till now clear. What to do? How to build? How to build? See, simply take this where I need to move. There, see now. Insert at cursor. Prompt. Is there any prompt here? See, you may see prompt also. Insert into terminal. That is the important thing. Press enter. You got an error. Why you got an error? We will see. Docker container. I need to enter into project. What is my project name? My Maven NGNX EPP. CD my Maven NGNX EPP. There you need to apply same command. Up arrow, up arrow. Don't forget those things. If you got an error, you need to understand. Oh, path is missing. Meanwhile, if you have doubt, talk to me. It may take maybe 10 seconds to maybe 2 minutes. One more thing everybody must learn three types of projects. One is Java projects, another one is Python projects, third one is Node.js projects. How to manage these three projects? Because of 90% projects, nowadays they are working with these three types of applications out there. Maybe in interview also we can tell. Have you worked with project? Yes. If you know how to build properly, if you know how to run properly, that may be 10 lines, that may be 10,000 lines. There is no difference. Here it may take 2 minutes, there it may take 2 hours. That is the difference. See, first time for building an image, taking time. Please observe total how much time it may take nearly. Maybe it may give the time also at the end. Madhav Garu, morning, have you attended my class? I hope no, right? Good. Error, you got it right. Failure to solve process slash bin sh hyphen c maven clean package did not successfully exit code 1 did not complete successfully. What happened? Copy pom.xml, copy src source, run maven clean. Okay, we'll take the help from where? Yeah, from here we are getting an error. Total time 31 seconds now. 680 milliseconds. More than half second, 680 milliseconds. Okay, copy this. We should know how to resolve. Your project summary never expect the standard directory structure. Okay. Yeah, there is no such directory structure. That is feeling. Why it is feeling? We'll check SRC. Yeah, there is no proper directory structure. There is no, yeah, main is there, right? Okay, we'll see it. We'll see. At the rate workspace, convert into proper directory function. The rate of space convert convert and insert into my my existing workspace. Giving proper answer. Not giving proper answer. Failure to solve process slash bin have clean package. Okay, did not complete successfully exit code. At the rate workspace, alter my code according to standards. That is again, this is okay. What we need to add now? These things we want to set. SRC is there, main is there, Java is there. Is there any com? No, right? Java com will be there. Only Java is there. In the Java also nothing is there. Observe here. That is the problem. It is not able to run. Open Java project. Check details. What I need to check. I want to adjust my code. If I want to write manually, little difficulty, right? Apply in editor. Apply in editor. Select where to apply this code block. So this Control Z. It to adjust everything difficulty, right? Or very simple way I can write it. No? This is I may delete first. First close all these things. Close, close. Right click, delete. Resource busy or locked by because of this maybe. Cancel cd dot that's no I may delete. Yes, deleted. Right. Create a Docker file, Docker file for multi-stage. Here, pom.xml, no. Okay. Character file for git and git and matter. This is one from, only one from is there, right? Yes or no? I want more than one from. Git character file, character file for mul- multi-stage. Multi-stage using git and maven. Git and maven. Two forms are there, right? Mhm. But code properly is there or not? What it is expecting? app.char. app.char. Okay. I want to clone. First, I want to clone. Observe carefully. Then I may go for browser. My browser. github.com. github.com. Location. The repositories. They're searching for maybe Java console app. Just copy code URL. Now simply git clone control. Now cd Java item console, right? Yes. Okay. Now you can have what happened now? Failed to execute module. What happened? That is correct only. SRC main directory structure properly is there. Okay, here's something going wrong. Where is my prompt? Backtick. What happened? Go to run terminal. New terminal. Now I'm in proper terminal, right? Docker container cd java console. Yes, good. Yes. Now what I am going to do at the rate workspace because of this is my workspace left hand side. Uh, Create a Docker. Docker type or multi-stage. Multi-stage. Create a Docker file for multi-stage. By using workspace, it will apply. Update to you are reached to your monthly chat message pattern. Okay. Okay, no problem. I check it. How much it will take at least. Try to Copilot for 30 days free. What it is expecting? Pay monthly $10. $10 pay yearly. $100. $100. Personally, save $20. They are going to tell, right? Save $20. Pay yearly. Update now. Where low fee option. Yearly billing. First name, address, save billing information, what it is expecting. Aldopathy, and Lakshmipati, address, TPT or Tirupati, or PATA, city, city also Tirupati, choose your country, India, right? Yes, sir. No pin code 517 501. Good. What it is expecting? Where the GST ID, we don't know. Save billing information. It will ask credit card details, right? Till I'm not expecting. Subscribe to GitHub Copilot Pro. Mm, Where it is expecting card or credit card or debit card, right? Okay. Card number. Card number already in my system somewhere copied. Now 1 minute. First time subscribing this one. I'm stop recording because of I'm entering credit card details. Okay, recording here. Recording. Yes. Can start recording. I hope see my screen is visible or not. Please let me know. Purchase chat GPT. There per month 2000 we need to pay. For Markonda sir. Chat GPT Pro. This is for nearly 1500. Now, please observe. I hope screen is visible, right? Actually, today my intention is not this one, but anyway, I'm going to give little clarity. What is my intention? I told right already. There, I think, where is my command prompt? See, quick observation. Docker container commands are there, right? Parallel, I may work with that. What is the first command? Quick response. Attach. See, attach is there, exe is there. As a professional, you must know these two differences. 90% people even doesn't know till today. They may tell, okay, you may use exec or you may use attach. A small variance is there. Now, quickly, you may know Docker run, Docker run, just UVR hyphen hyphen name, U Ubuntu UBUNT. Check it here. What happened? Any difficulty here? Spelling mistake, no, right? Hyphen name my UV my UV. Now check it. Container is creating or not created, right? Yes or no? Yes. See, if we see Docker PS, Just now I created one. Are you able to see here? No, right? Where is that? Just now you created. This is the oldest one, not the latest, 22 hours ago. Now, see, Docker PS hyphen A. Now you can able to see just now when Ubuntu got created 43 seconds ago. What happening here? Exited. Exit. You know the word exit. Entry, exit. Now what I am going to do? Again, I may do very simple modification. See, Docker run hyphen name my UB1 quick observation there Docker run hyphen IT. You know, IT stands for interactive terminal. Connected to your container, right? Please observe root at the rate. This is the container ID, man. This is the container ID. Previous inner observe D colon something is there. Now what I am going to do? I need to exit from here. I want to exit. Generally, I may use control PQ. Here, control PQ may not work. Control PQ may not work. Anyway, I am going to exit here. Again, you check it here. Docker PS PS just. Again, you are not able to see. Are you agree with me? Docker, just you go for PS hyphen A. You may able to see, right? Both are exited. But anyway, I am going to start. I am going to start. Docker, Docker, start. Tell me anyone container ID, maybe the latest one. What is the latest one? 50 seconds ago, one is created, right? This one I am going to take. Or you can reduce the size. This is the latest one as well. Control C, control. What I am going to do? Docker start container. Check it, container is started. After starting, really container started or not, we don't know. How to check it? Docker PS, just a Docker PS. Now see, are you able to see Ubuntu? Till now clear, right? Now I'm going to attach. Docker ATT is attached. What is the container ID? My UB1. See, am I attached or not? Monica got the clarity. What about attach command?
Yes, sir.
I am attaching to a specific container. One more thing. For running containers only we can attach. Exited containers, there is no use. See, one human is there, maybe assume our family member also. Unfortunately, he got died. Where we can move? Exit. We can do exit. When can entry? Just moving to hospital, something going wrong, again he is alive, again moving to entry. In the same way, attaching is possible when he is alive. In the same way here. Same concept I am going to use for again I may go for exit. You know, here control PQ may not work now. I am going to try control P Q. Read escape sequence. Anyway, it is maybe something going wrong, but anyway working, right? See, Docker PS. Is it working or not? I want to attach Docker exec hyphen it hyphen it container ID running or not? Yes. What happened? Up arrow where I written Docker exec hyphen it control V. Next slash problem here. Okay, slash bin slash bash. See, which is good one? Now observe and tell me which is easier. First one. But 98% people using second one only. Because of they know second one, they don't know first one. First one is very simple, very easy, but they are going to work with second one. But small twist is there. If any OS related images, then only you can use which one? Docker attach. You may ask me, sir, how can I know OS related? Ubuntu, Alpine, CentOS, these are all OS related containers. OS. One more thing. Any web application, ma'am. You may ask me, how can I easily remove a web application? Knowingly, unknowingly, at the time of creating container, unfortunately, if you use hyphen D, attach will not work. Attach will not, no use. only you can use Docker EXE. Docker EXE is useful for both OS related and application related, that is web related. But attach is used for only OS. Now, got the clarity? Good.
Yes, sir.
I may create one web application. I'll try for attach. Really will attach or not? We'll check. Now Docker run hyphen name, maybe web app, anyone can hyphen d detach hyphen p 80 or 82 I'm taking colon 8080 nginx. Their web application I'm creating one. What happened? Any spelling mistake? I'm in the container. I'm in the container. No use of this. There. Control C. First, I need to go for exit, up arrow, up arrow. My command is not working. I may copy paste. Don't worry. Doctor, doctor. Control C, control. Now check it here. See, till now in my computer there is no nginx. That's why at the time of creating container, see, it is downloading. What happening here? In locally, unable to find image, it is telling, giving intimation, hey, that item is not in our home, go and get it. Time. First we'll check the memory in my computer. Really such memory is there. Yeah, it is there 18 GB, no problem. Even I want to change the hard disk up to 1 TB. Otherwise, I cannot manage this. This is 500 GB. The content is created or not created. Now see my Docker PS. See, what is the latest one? NGNX are agree with me? I'm taking our intention is what? I want to use attach. Our intention, it will attach or not. Docker APPAC attach their control B. It will wait. It won't attach. It is keep on trying for attaching. Is it okay for you? We never attach web application based containers. We can attach only OS based containers. This clarity everybody must contain. Now, Docker contain. See the second command? Commit. No, generally, what shall we do by using git commit? Quick response. Anyone can tell. Git commit or monitor. Git commit.
Yes, sir. Uploading local changes into central repository.
We are telling wrong answer. Painting once. Commit is for which purpose, man? Committing into
Yeah.
local repository. You forgot, right?
Yes, sir.
We are telling git push answer. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. My question, very small question. See, git add assume touch A. Maybe general I'm not touch will not work here. Just touch A is there, B is there, C is there. Assumption I'm giving. 3 files I got created. Git add A, again git add B, git add C. Is it valid or invalid? Anyone can quick response?
Invalid.
Valid. Git add of A one time, git add of B, git add of C. Generally, industry will go for git add dot or git add star. The dot and star representing 3 files will add. Is it okay? But my intention is one by one. See, to my house, 3 members came. I'm giving priority to each person. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? That is the right one, right? Generally, people may common like that. Now, my question is, can I go for git commit for a specific file? Monica will tell the answer because of recently completed the Git course. Git commit for a specific file. Can I commit? Here 3 files are there, right? 3 files are added, but adding is okay. But committing, I want to commit. Generally, what you may use git commit hyphen m. Their message. Okay, 3 files created. Even though you may write 3 files created, they are file. If you specify a file name, how many files am I committing here? Only one file. Message is 3 is there, but file committing is only one. This is also possible. This is the interview question. Can I commit a specific file? Yes, we can commit for a specific file. But in reality, we never go like this. We can commit everything only. But interview purpose, they may trickily they may ask a question. Got the clarity, ma? We must specify file
Yes,
name
sir.
means yes. This is also right answer. Dot means here everything we are committing. If you don't use anything, also everything will commit. Okay, come to our question. Here is which concept? Commit. Create a new image from a containers. Yes. Generally, everybody know from image we are creating container. Are you agree with me? I am giving a little diagram of Windows key or MS Paint. MS Paint. See, this is the Docker image. From Docker image, I'm going to create a Docker container. Are you agree with me? From image, I'm writing here. From image, can I create a container? Yes, it is valid. Yes, it is valid. This is the well-known theory, everybody. From image to container. My question, can I create from container to image? Yes, it is valid. See here, this is the image. Image is there. I created container. Container is there. I want to create an image. But you make a question mark. What is the need of this? Shall we go for the discussion? This is the raw image. You know the meaning of raw image? Just we took one image. See, I am working for 1 year. I am working for 1 year means what I may do? I may give little clarity. They're adding something, just adding means plus. We may think like that. Yes, sir. For 1 year modifications applied, where I applied. This all the modifications I want to get like an image. This is good idea, right? From an existing container. Why I'm taking existing container? Real-time applications, real-time modifications are there. From these modifications, I'm going to create an image. If I use this image, if I create a new container, what I may get? All the new modifications. Am I able to got the clarity, ma? Is it good procedure, right? From raw image, we are creating container. We are doing some updates. Those updates I want to create an image. From that image, if I create a container, existing 1 year work, I may get it again automatically. That is the easiest way. See, my organization is there. That maybe I want to implement maybe sub branches. For 10 years, my organization established it. So many activities happen. All these activities I want to implement there. I am providing my image. From that image, if they run automatically, all these existing modification that will automatically apply from that day onwards. That is the good way of processor. Is it okay for you? How to do that? By using Docker commit. By using Docker commit. Now we are going to here. See, I'm taking one container, Docker ps hyphen Docker ps. There I'm taking Ubuntu plus. Copy this container ID. We need container ID. Copy it, right? Now see Docker Docker commit commit hyphen help. Why I need to use Copilot means only this purpose. If the Copilot is there, I never use hyphen help. Because of that will give automatically. If there is no, I'm taking, I know the procedure, I'm just observing the syntax. See, observe here what they are expecting. Docker container commit or Docker commit. What they are going to expect. Hyphen m message string. Then you need to use container ID. Then you need to specify the name. Anyway, I am going to use Docker commit hyphen m their message new container then we are going to use container id syntax is correct, right? Check it here. Docker commit options, I use options, their container. There we are going to create new image. What is the image name? My underscore ub colon maybe version 5. Such name maybe already there, I don't know, right? Simply I am getting like this. See, I didn't remember anything much. Simply I am using help. In industry also they may provide. Blindly don't apply. See the syntax, try to apply. Now see Docker images. Are you able to see the image name? Observe here. MyUB is the repository name. I said right. Repository name is nothing but image name only. There, what is the tag name? V5. Anyone facing any difficulty here? This is the very important question. How can you create an image? They may ask direct question. Can you create an image from a container? Your answer should be yes. How they will ask? By using Docker commit. Docker commit command. Now next concept. Now we go for Docker CP. I hope in Docker instructions you have seen in copy. This is the question they are asking. What is the difference between that directly they are asking COPY and COPA and CP? Anyone can quick guess? Quick guess. What is the use of copy here? You must tell the answer. Docker copy is the Docker file instructions. Docker CP is the container command. That is the first answer. Is it okay for you? What you made? Copy already you know, right? Docker copy you know. Now we are going to work with CP. Observe here. I want to create one file. Echo welcome message I want to store in maybe file1.txt. Any error? No, right? Please observe. You want to see, right? Yeah. Check it. There file1.txt got created, right? CLS. You want to see the content? type file1.txt. File1.txt. See, are you able to see? Yes. Till now clear? Right. This one I want to copy into my container. That is the special thing. How to copy your local content into container. Your local content into container. See man. Docker, DOCK, Docker, CP. Again take hyphen help. I know here, but I am going to show you. See, Docker CP, they're expecting what more? Options. Options. They're what to do? Docker CP. What is the file you want to copy? Quick response. Quick response. Their file name is what? File 1.txt.
File 1.txt.
Where you want to copy? Within the container. Colon, slash. Now, within the container, suppose you may have one folder. Maybe if you know this belongs to which one, maybe I am using TMP. TMP may be there. See, successfully copied. You may ask me, no, sir, I want to see, really, is it copied? You know how to attach, right? A quick response. Docker, attach, control V. It may work or not. Yes. I want to check. See ls-ltr. See somewhere TMP is there or not? Check it.
Yes.
Where is?
Last.
Good. CD TM tab. Now check it. ls-ltr. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Like this, in real time, some files we can copy from local system to container. Local system to just like a wallet. Money purse. Is it okay for you? Good. Now again Docker, maybe you need exit, right? Exit. Now we go for Docker, CONT, container. Attach over, commit over, CP over. Now we go for create. But generally we never use create command. We can create. What is the problem? Once you create, you need to start. If you use Docker run, it will create and start.
Yes.
Both facilities are there if you use Docker run. But our intention is what? I want to create, I don't want to start, which is good policy. Docker create. Today I am creating, tomorrow I want to run. Just like I make you a simple example. Netflix is there. They may upload one maybe movie. When they can give access? Day after tomorrow, not today. That's why at that time, which is very useful, create. They are uploading, they are giving access to everybody. What is the best policy? Docker run. Run means doing and giving access. Create means doing. It won't give any access. Is it okay for you? Yes. Now I am going for create. See now, Docker, create. What is the thing I want to apply? There, see simply there I may go for UBUNT. Ubuntu. There I may give name, easy understanding. Hyphen name. Maybe name is also I am giving create. That's all. The name itself create. Don't think differently. Created.
Yes.
Not started. You can see here Docker PS hyphen A. You want to see that one only, right? There grep create. See, not any proper grep will not work here because of this is Windows environment. No worry. Now see, are you able to see such name here?
No.
What I used create. Here see, created, not started.
Yes.
Now I go for today last command, Docker diff. What is the time now? 8:30. Okay. I may go for Docker container container. Container. See ma'am. It is the DIFF. Ma in Git also. Ma have you applied git diff command ma? Monica, have you applied git diff?
No, sir.
No. See, I think Markotas are explained such concept. Maybe git conflict ma. Git conflict you have seen, right? Maybe
Yes, sir.
both programmers may modify in the same line. At the time, you may get git conflict. That conflict, if you want to identify by using the git diff, in the same way here also, Docker container diff is there. Maybe I may use, maybe which container I added something, ma? some container, right? I added one file. Maybe somewhere here it is there. Docker CP, quick observation.
Yes, sir.
Which one? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Please remember this container ID I'm taking. Control C. There. Docker if container ID. Are you observing? There see Docker diff hyphen help. They may tell clearly, they are telling here, anything I want to see. My A means added. A means added. A add only, right? C means changed. See, within that time something modified or not? How can I say something modified? This is added, that's why this is changed. Is it okay for you? Change when happens, something modified, we can call it as a change. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Temp is predefined. At least are you agree with me?
Yes.
In that something modification happen or not?
Yes, sir.
What it is added?
Fine.
File. I hope you got the clarity. In the same way, dot bash it's there also added somewhere. Why is it okay for you? Docker container, diff or Docker diff. Until now, anyone having any doubt? Remaining things will finish tomorrow evening because somewhere we wasted some time. Anyway, no problem. These commands are very easy, ma. You can apply your own also. Remaining are simple commands only. Majority of the commands we explained. Next, export is also very simple, right? Creating a tar file. Tar file means I said right.
So
Backup. Next, export. Okay, inspect. We can inspect how much memory occupied.
Yes.
What are the things available. Kill. Stop. Right?
Yes, sir.
Graceful termination is nothing but stop. Abnormal termination is nothing but kill. I'll give one real time example. మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటాం ఇంట్లో తిడతారు కోపం వచ్చి ఎక్కడో వెళ్ళిపోతాం ఇప్పుడు గ్రేస్ఫుల్ టర్మినేషన్ అబ్నార్మల్ టర్మినేషన్ మనం ఎక్కడికి పోయినా వాళ్ళకి తెలియకపోతే అబ్నార్మల్ టర్మినేషన్ ఇంట్లో ఒక లెటర్ రాసి పెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోయాం గ్రేస్ఫుల్ టర్మినేషన్ ఓకే
Yes.
బట్ ఇక్కడ మన డాకర్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే if you use docker stop it will give 10 seconds within 10 seconds it may not stop it may use internally docker kill only people are forgetting we're giving some extent time is the docker stop how many seconds it will give 10 seconds docker kill it won't give 0.1 millisecond also simply stops what was the problem in real time my application may be used by someone else they are going to use right that is giving little time to stop minimum time gives for stop no time giving for kill which is the best one stop is best or kill is best stop is only the best one you never use kill but kill facility is there is it clear ma till now clear remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow okay thank you if any doubt is there ask me or else we are winding the session no doubt stop recording please fine okay thank you నా తమ్ముడు అప్పుడే ఫోన్ చేసిన నేను చెప్పా ఒక ట్రేడ్ కడుపులో చెప్తున్నారు
అంటే నేను కూడా ఉపయోగపడాలి ఫ్రీగా వస్తుంది కరెక్ట్గా క్లాస్
ఫ్రీగానే వస్తుంది నేను దాన్ని ఎంత పడుతున్నాను రోజులో
వస్తా అంటే నేను మీ ఐడి యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నా
ఏమో తెలియదు నాకు కూడా చూద్దాం ఫెసిలిటీ
వస్తాను మాట్లాడుకుంటే అంటే వస్తాను జియో ఆఫీస్ దగ్గర వెమ్మకండి సరే ఆడదానికే మీరు ఆడిపోతున్నారు ఇప్పుడు అవునా సరే పద నేను వస్తాను అయితే